signalling left into the left lane,
Nice.
leaving the right lane for people turning right.
Nice.
And then at the roundabout, I'm going to follow the road ahead.
Okay.
So there's a car coming approaching, it's not indicating, so I'm going to trust him and go straight with him.
Okay.
Mirror signal left after exiting.
Okay.
Speed limit is 40 miles per hour. The road looks nice and straight. A couple of oncoming vehicles, not really affecting me, so I'm getting right up to 40 miles per hour.
Okay.
One vehicle following behind me. A couple of oncoming vehicles. Junction coming on the left, no one's threatening to pull out.
Okay.
Road's looking pretty good, nice steady visibility. Dips down a bit. One car turning right. One pedestrian on the left, not really affecting me. I can see a speed change in the distance. Looks like 30 miles an hour, so I'm checking my mirrors, gently braking, dropping the speed down to 30 before I pass the sign.
Okay.
And I'm easing off the brakes.
Alright.
And I'm doing 30 miles per hour. Driving up the hill, trying to maintain the speed at 30. And then road bends to the right. I'm going to follow the bend to the right.
Okay.
Keeping to the left, checking left mirror. Car's ready to pull out. Satisfied he's waiting. And the black car. She's looking at me. I'm happy.
Okay.
Just gonna mirror, carry on. And there's a sign saying elderly people crossing. Checking around. Can't really see anyone crossing. Speed's now changing back to 40 miles per hour. So I'm going to check my mirror as I pass the sign. Speed up from 30 to 40.
Okay.
Couple of pedestrians on the side. I'm satisfied they're not going to cross.
Okay.
Bending up to about 40. Try not to go over 40 and the speed. Now I'm going to go up the hill. So just adding a bit more throttle to maintain the speed.
Okay.
As I'm coming up, road bends to the left. There's a junction coming. There's a slow sign on the floor. Just being a little bit cautious here. So just dropping the speed down just a little bit to check what's going on.
Okay.
There's a junction left and right. No one threatening. There's a pedestrian on the far distance. One looks like he may want to cross the road.
Okay.
Just easing off a touch. He's moved, took a step back. So I'm going to check my mirror and accelerate again. Back up to 40. It's looking safe and clear. Again, there's one pedestrian walking towards me on the left. Satisfied she's not crossing. Then the road bends to the left. And then it goes up the hill. There's quite a few slow signs. So I'm just easing off as I'm going up the hill. It's a sharp bend. I'm back to a 30 mile an hour. So just easing off without the brakes.
Okay.
I'm doing back onto 30 miles per hour.
Okay.
Looking around the bend. Visibility is opening up. There's a few shops on the left. Right hand bend. One car following behind me. There's a car threatening to pull out on the left. Satisfied he's pulled out. And I'm going to check my centre left mirror. Keeping to the left to maximize my visibility. Looking over, under, and through the vehicles on the left. Looking for any feet. Checking my centre right mirror. It's gently braking. It's getting a little bit narrow because the black car's sticking out a little bit. Now checking my right mirror. I'm going to go around the black car and then centre left to come back in.
No need to traffic it there.
No need to traffic it because my position becomes the signal.
Okay.
And then I'm going to take the next road on the right, centre right mirror, indicate. I'm going to put my right hand at 12 o'clock, ready to turn, pull and push at the point of turn.
Okay.
And as I'm steering in, straighten up, centre mirror, and then accelerate.
Okay.
You can see there's a car possibly doing a U-turn or reversing to a driveway, so just easing off. So by the time I get there, the hazard is cleared up.
Okay.
And now the driver's moved off. A couple of people loading up on the left. We'll let the white car pass that car and then check centre right mirror. And this becomes my signal, the early position. And then centre left mirror coming back into the left.
Alright.
threatening, but he's got his left signals on. I'm happy
Okay.
slowing down right in front of him. And mirror signal left.